Dayforce Self-Service provides the option to enable employees to review current balances and request time away from work. This would be accessible under the My Work tab within this system. By clicking on the Balances button, employees would have access to any current accruals that we are tracking on the system. This may include vacation time, sick time, personal time, or lieu days that you are tracking. Under the Balances button, they'll be able to see the number of hours accrued, how much time has been approved and already taken, if they have any pending requests, and what the remaining balances are. Dayforce Self-Service may be configured to allow for employees to carry over a certain number of days as per your policy, or may allow employees to borrow against future accruals. With the configuration options, you'll be able to set up various plans and policies according to your different employee groups. This may cover off specific plans for part-time, permanent, or executive plans. Policy rules can be enacted to allow for carryover, to require a notification period, or to require multiple levels of authorization. To make a new request, the employee would simply click on the New button, and a window will populate showing both their name and their current balances. The employee will then simply click on the reason code, and once selecting the reason, can provide a comment as to why they are making that particular request. Once they've provided a comment, they'll simply come and select their start and end dates for that particular request. By using the calendar buttons to select their dates, the system will update in real time, notifying the employee if they should exceed their current balances. It will also highlight on the calendar any statutory or public holidays, ensuring that the employee does not request a day that they already have off. This can also be utilized if you would like to indicate any blackout periods when vacation or time off is not allowed. If the employee does exceed their current balance, it will indicate this with a red message on the screen and may prevent the employee from saving or forwarding on this request. If the employee sees they have an insufficient balance error message, they'll be required to return to the calendar button to readjust their request. Once they've made the adjustment, they can save their particular request, and this will be routed through to the appropriate manager for approval. The employee will be notified when their time off from work has been approved through the message center and also by having their dashboard updated with an approved status. By providing access to time away from work to both managers and employees through the Dayforce Self-Service, you will empower your employees by ensuring that they have access to their current balances, thereby eliminating questions back and forth to both managers and HR to retrieve this information. They can also use the calendar buttons to review any historical information that's been entered in the system, so they can see what information has been entered against their current and previous time away from work calendars. They can also ensure that they are not exceeding their annual entitlements for sick time, vacation time, and any other balances you are tracking within the system. By utilizing time away from work, you can ensure compliance of your policies and ensure open communication between both managers and employees when it comes to managing their time away from work.